Traffic collisions in the city of Torrance have spiked over the years, and Torrance police are taking steps to combat them. New statistics show there were more than 230 traffic collisions in 2017 than in 2016. There's also been an increase in accidents leading to more deaths. The Torrance Police Department has been reviewing stats and partnering with the community. Research shows that excessive speed and distracted driving are primary causes of collisions. They've already taken steps to combat the problem by launching their high visibility enforcement this month. On Torrance Boulevard and Hawthorne Boulevard, traffic signboards are there to remind drivers to obey traffic laws at those intersections. They recently also conducted another operation at the intersections of Prairie Avenue and Redondo Beach Boulevard and Crenshaw Boulevard. Officials focused on jaywalking, a primary concern for injury collisions in those areas. It's an educational campaign that is a combination of law enforcement efforts and visibility elements. Some other areas of focus will include unsafe lane changes and drivers who lane straddle. Do you want